A pot of coffee is always here to welcome a friend. Iced tea is aplenty, like a friendship that never ends. Can't always get that tea kettle a whistling, where recipes are shared with love, where bread recipes are shared on Saturdays, where a ton of cookbooks live and sometimes seem to follow me home.
So this is the very first recipe for beef recipe project. I am melting 1 tablespoon of butter. You could use any kind of fat. You need 1 tablespoon of fat. So we're going to make Hamburger Deluxe. So the very first thing we need to do is brown our hamburger. And we're going to add 1 chopped onion to this as well. We're going to brown that as well with our burger. The other ingredients you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, teaspoon of celery seed if you want it, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a cup of vinegar, which I'm not adding, and you're going to need some chili sauce. So as soon as this gets brown, we're going to add our chili sauce and these seasonings. So now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients: chili powder, salt, mustard seed, celery seed, and of course flour. And we're going to add our pint of chili sauce to this as well. And then we're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Like I said, now we're going to let this simmer for 30 minutes. That means turn the fire down and put your time limit on. And if you wanted to, you can add the vinegar. I'm not doing that. So I'm having it over biscuit, but you can also put it on a bun. That is where it's recommended, a toasted bun. But like I said, I'm going to have it over a biscuit.